ko? Ba? I'm gonna get it.
Init.
Iba na nasa ng orange bag.
Hello. Ay, yun ang di ko alam kung paano. Yung pag-ganit. Oh, ay! Si Ashley kasi.
Si Vi na yan ang magsasabi.
Uy, babalik niyo daw yung bata.
Oo nga.
Balik?
Diba sinabi ka
Di ba pinabalik?
Oh,
My?
let's put it back
Oh,
na.
put it back.
Ano sinabi ko?
Wait. My, wait. Leave the door open, okay? Put it aside. Good luck.
Soul of the person who invented popcorn and great taste.
Lami! Hindi ako. Kristen.
Ako na lang para walang away.
Kristen yun.
I'll put an ice cube sa pool.
Hindi na lalaban.
Para may effect. Sa gitna, sa gitna. Tingnan mo kung hindi.
Ano ko yung
Wait lang.
chocolate? Yes. Uy, no.
Guys, chocolate.
Last na, dali natin dito. Ano?
Last piece of chocolate. Pero 2 days lang yan, di ba?
Sa atin yung apat.
Can I have? Okay, wala mo.
Pero kala ko. Meron pa ako isa. Ay, lahat na ba? Lahat. Akin na pa. Hindi ako nakakain, mga... Kaya lang nagkain. Akin na lang.
Ganito nga lagi lang lagi sa coffee eh. Tatlo-tatlo pa. Hindi mo wala ka ng kain.
Hindi ako kumakain nito eh. Allergic.
Pero ako, sino?
Allergic ako na
Nakikinom na lang ako eh.
Allergic ako na ganito. Pero kain lang mo. Ano?
Uy!
Wow!
Nahulog.
May nakatapon dito ng ice coffee.
Dapat linisin nila yun eh.
Matinisan na naman.
Sarap yan.
Kainin mo. Ano? Yes!
I like the feeling every time I eat chocolate. Because I feel so hot with the chocolate.
The hell?
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Besh,
This is mine, no?
Si Marco, walang chocolate.
Ma!
Tama yung kamay niya. Marco! 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 Huwag mong gagalawin yung paa mo. Tama yung kamay mo, ang galing.
As in, yung legit walang galaw yung paa.
Firm lang.
Kaya mali kayo. Kanina rin tinatry niya daw eh.
Ang galing nga eh.
Eh,
Wala mo, paa pa rin.
mahirap eh.
Hirap talaga sa...
Hindi pala kasal. Ganun pala.
Parang nga dragonfly eh.
Dragonfly?
Butterfly? Di ba
Butterfly.
butterfly?
Dragonfly, wala kang dragonfly daw.
Butterfly? Ay, dragonfly ganun.
Freestyle.
Ah, freestyle.
Tapos,
Breaststroke.
Mga rena, mga rena.
back.
Oh, Elvis, is that you?
I feel good.
Ito walang dragon.
Oh! Damn.
Nearly. I envy his.
Dalay mo muna sa amin.
Basang sa pool.
But your sister queen naman eh. I can do that easily. Oh.
Mamagot yung butterfly. And he go like that. And I can. Look, oh my God.
Kasi, really,
No.
even if it's
Dalawa na lang.
tide.
Allergic ko? No.
No, but after a while, if you remove it na, won't it like stay there?
Yung allergic!
Ay, kakain na lang ako pag allergic ko. Allergic ko? No. Ay, na to.
Ate Nainay. Ano na?
Ay! Meron na zero.
Napakuha na yun.
Wala pa na loob.
No? Wala?
Hmm.
Wala.
Meron, besh. Parang pulok-pulok.
It's like that. Look at my flop. It's like,
Sabi mo na Christian.
It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us.
Instead of treated, we can't get. Instead of kisses, we can't treat.
It's a
it's a weed. Serious. They grow everywhere. All the young dandelions, they're like these yellow flowers. I always take them and like that, and they flick off. So if you go like that and you shoot at someone,
Can you do it?
Give this to my mic. Dito sa hep pala.
No.
Nag-impact pala.
Still good.
Malakas ka niya.
No. I get it. Yeah. Ew.
Me?
Sorry, sorry. Yeah.
Meron na.
Ano pa?
Ano yan?
no, there's
Balang
I
kayo.
have to take it off.
okay.
Look,
Take off what?
the
Por qué? Because of the plane?
Okay,
Because of the plane?
yeah. of the blade.
Did you wear
I always
socks?
use this one to pull.
Ano nangyari?
When
The
you
plane,
train
when
an
you're
airplane, you push with the
Mm.
Oh, that's why my butt cheeks hurt, because I was going down and I was using both legs. You were using your foot.
hurts a lot. Hands and feet. Hands na wala na. Yung isa.
Yeah.
Hindi nag-push up, hindi nag-push up. Hindi.
Push up tayo.
Hindi na lang lumulta.
Young can do
Yung
the best
laps na
push-up.
ginawa namin, push up. Ay, yung freestyle na yun, parang ilang workout na rin.